Ciao tutti, welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Francesco from Chioggia, Italy. Today we are in Italy, in Chioggia, my hometown. We are going to choose local clams for pasta alle vongole in the biggest fish market in Italy. Here in Chioggia we have two kinds of clams. One is the lupini, that are white color and tasty, and then we have the vongole vanaci, more dark in color and more meaty. For your recipe you can use any kind of clams that you can find in a supermarket or fish market. For this recipe you will need clams, parsley, garlic, chili, spaghetti, a glass of wine, add the salt in the water, add the clams and leave them for a few hours to replicate their own environment and clean from the sand by themselves. Gently bump the clams into the sink. This will help if there is any leftover of sand to go up. Keep in mind that when you buy vongole, it's better to conserve in the chiller with its own net. This will help to not to release the seawater and will preserve for more days. In a pan, add the extra virgin olive oil, the garlic, the bunch of parsley, and the clams. Then add a white wine and cover with the lid. After 3-4 minutes, the clams will start to open, which means they are ready. Look at this, beautiful. When the clams are cooled down, you can start to clean. Keep a few clams with a shell for decoration. After cleaning the clams, add the seawater into the clams. Chop the garlic and the chili. and roasted with extra virgin olive oil. Then add the white wine and reduce it. Now add the seawater. Okay. And when the pasta is ready, add to the sauce. At the end, add all the clams, also with the shells. Add the parsley. Pepper. Mix it with the extra virgin olive oil. E buon appetito! Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.